Good morning, good morning. Hello, hello. Cool clips. B. Residue. Icarus, the trader. Trey, welcome in. Good morning. How's everybody doing? It's Monday. Dan, good morning, good morning. Hello, hello. What do you know? It's the Swag Show. Thank you for being here. Oh, let's get into it. Chris, gonna move these over so I can see what's going on. One PZ, welcome. Marvin Dukes, welcome in. Juan, Zach. Who else is in here? Chad, Lex Too Cool. Hello, what do you know? Good morning, good morning. Or good afternoon or good evening. Depending on where you live on this crazy planet Earth. How's everybody doing? Burberry, good morning. Fooled by no one. Welcome back. I hope you guys had a great weekend. It is Monday, December 30th. Trusty, good morning. I hope you got the email, Trusty, and are starting to get set up. Good morning, good morning. Pulse, yayo. Lucky 23 boss, keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean. Jellybean, good morning on YouTube. Hello over there. Let me type something in the chat so you know I can hear you. Money to be made, Daniel, Christopher, Dragonfly, Twigs, JM Clopez. Hello. Setting up your algos today. There you go. What is Silver's ticker on NinjaTrader? It's SI. SI. Playing support and resistance. On this algo here, yeah. This is a new one. It's called NQ Prop. It's still in testing. But I figured I'd show it to you. It's already made $1,000 today. I don't know what it's looking for, honestly. Looking for a pullback probably to support and resistance levels, yes. And then we got Santa on the left for those of you on YouTube that can see both screens here. Only thing in a trade it looks like right now is Oracle Silver and ES New Range, which are both no plays on Monday. But we are here. Fazian, Chris, Boosted Ego, Ben Jaho, Mini, Coach, welcome in. J Man Devil, Brad Cover, hello, hello. What do you know? It is the Swag Show. Thank you for being here. Welcome back. It is Monday. I hope everybody had a fantastic weekend. We're still doing the sale. $300 for the first 2 weeks. Good until the end of the year. Also, if you want to learn how to manually trade, we have the digital mentorship on sale. $1,000. Come be a part of the student group. Get the student play of the day, the proprietary chop zone, the manual alerts, and a lot of other cool stuff. And it's always good to learn your craft, right? Roderick, Alley, Ace, Hope, FK Trades, Camaro, Hugo, Anderson, Daniel. Keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean. Jelly Bean, thank you for being here. Help me help you help others. We got Santa in a short here, $175 in the green. Let me slide him on over here so you can see him. $240, high water mark of $240 there. Hey, Laduna, welcome back. Thank you for being here. All right, so Santa took profit there, $75. We got Oracle Silver and ES New Range, the only two other ones in a trade right now. Nikki, Aesthetic, Shabs, Investigator. Hello, welcome. Day Trader, good morning. Antonio Martinez. Steven Seagal, welcome in. Nightwalker. Carlos, hello, hello. Rama, Cool Clips, welcome in. Good morning, good morning. I think I need some coffee, but I don't drink coffee very often. I just stick with my water. I'm just slow and sluggish for some reason this morning. Probably didn't help that yesterday was a long day. One Trick Pony, welcome in. Hello. I didn't see you sneak in there. Bomber in the fire. I went to the Illinois game. ILLINI. Wasn't much of a game. They blew Chicago State out by like 50 points or something. I don't remember the final score. It was like 118 to 64 or something. I don't know. Something crazy. Santa in a long now. Catching this long run up here. $300 on this long by Santa. Francisco No Name Tech Surplus, welcome back. Ace Hurry Aesthetic Trey Daniel, welcome in. Ramiro Ramirez. The background of the Algos can be changed if I want to put something different than the image of Santa. Yeah, so that's the cool thing. You can download any picture from the internet. Whatever you want the background to be, just download it, save it on your desktop, and then you can go to properties and change the background to whatever you want it to be. That's why I have so many different ones for each strategy. Calvin, Peter White, Cesar Romero, welcome. Is Santa a premium? No, it's standard. Marco Merlin, welcome in. Santa is part of the standard. You do have to wait a week to get access to it just to make sure that you know what you're doing and everything's set up properly before we release it to you and let you run wild just so you don't bust your account. Jason Witt, welcome back. Hello, good morning. Dino's Chaudra Laduna, thank you. Appreciate it. Man, I'm tired still. I don't know. $450, $500 now on this Santa run. 730. Wow, 800. What is going on? What a big pullback here. I have no idea what's going on, but once again, that just kind of took a trade by itself. That was weird. Luckily, it was a win. $1,200 long now on Santa 1300. It's getting out of hand here. Keep tapping that screen. Look at this algorithm, guys. I'm showing you $1,300 long on Santa. What in the hell? How did that just take a trade? By me clicking on this over here. That just doesn't make any sense. I literally clicked over here and it put it in the long. I don't know. But anyway. Anyway, welcome back. Like, here we are. It is almost probably the last day of the year that I'm going to be trading live. I don't think I'm going to trade live tomorrow. You never know. Mike NS, welcome. So this is what I mean by you can move your stop loss if you want to, but you don't have to. Watch when Santa comes in. Venco, welcome in. Look, it just did it again. What is this doing? Close all selected positions. Yeah, it's somehow it's getting, I don't know what it's doing, but it's like, did that get into a trade? Yeah, it did. I wonder if that's it. So Santa's out. I don't know what is going on, but it's gotten me into 2 trades right now. Up 400 with high 5. There you go. Yeah, I got the win on high 5. I just had one mini contract on it, so that was like $265 it got me, and then I took a manual trade. So I'm up 265 on all my accounts today, around there, 250-ish. And then one of my accounts, my Top Step eval, I'm trying to pass. I'm up 772. But I'm done trading it for the day. I'm done for the day. I even turned off the algorithms for NQ later, the only other one I was going to run. But yeah, congratulations, Burberry. Good job. Magic Mike, hello. Welcome in. El Brutal, welcome in. Saiful Habasi. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but hey, welcome to the Swagonators Mount Up. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate you being here. Keep tapping that screen if this is your first time tuning in. My name is Kyle. This is the Swag Show. I do go live Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern, showing you live futures market trading using BoldBot, which is a fully automated trading algorithm for the futures market. And if you want more information, please email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. Right there on your screen. Let me move this up. Maybe you can't see it. We got a sale going on till the end of the year. You can try the standard algorithms for 2 weeks for just $300. Otherwise, it's $500 for the first month, $1,000 a month after that for the standard algorithms, $1,500 a month for the premium. We've already made, let's see, 2, 3, 4, and 350 is 750 with the standard algorithms. Just today alone, we've made 750. So if you think it's not worth it, there you go. I don't see SI in the futures. Am I looking in the wrong spot? Try manually typing it in the upper left corner when you open a new chart. Just manually type SI, and there should be a list that pops up, and then you should be able to select it from there, Marvin. Joshua Pegman, Harris Thornton, Lens Leafy Greens, welcome in. Mary Crazy, Judy Kennedy, Joseph Delaney, welcome. Thank you for being here. But yeah, you're able to manually input or type in the upper left, where right next to where it says chart, and you select what type of chart. You should just be able to type in SI, and hopefully it'll populate a list for you. Santa in another trade here. $300 long, $400 long, $425. 5:30 now. Look at this go. Look at it go. Ho, ho, ho. Santa bringing the dough for show. Out the back door. Up the chimney he go. I don't know. I'm just being silly. Make them rhyming words that probably don't rhyme. It's green 155 on the day. NQ Big Bang in a trade now. Green 400. Gridlock in a trade. Let's see if I can pull up the old Big Banger here. That's the wrong one. Let me put it on Big Bang for the people on the YouTube. Yeah. There you go. Well, it was green 400, but then it shot right back down. That was crazy. I looked over, it was green 400, and now it's red 155. So there's some big movement going on today, guys. Lot of movement today. And look at Santa reversing, caught the long. Now he's in a $500 short. A lot of movement here. You can scalp and make your profits for the day really quick here. Just follow it with the stop loss close. Just follow them with the close stop loss and you'll make your profit, whether it's 200, 300, 400, 600 now on Santa trade, you know. Take your profits and be done for the day. I did. I'm done. I'm just here showing you what the algorithm can do now. I already made my profit for the day. 10 minutes probably into the open. Stop, win at goal. That's what swag is all about. Stop, win at goal. $700 now on this short on Santa. Big Bang's out of this trade. NQ Prop is in a trade. Let me see if I can. Oh, where's my thing? Where's my mouse? There it is. Come over here. Come over here. Is Prop out of the trade already? It is. That quick. It's that quick. It's like 200. Prop is just so quick. You got to watch it. $900 now. On Santa short, ho, 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 he's bringing the dough for show. $1,000 short now on NQ Santa. How far down will he go? Ho, 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 nobody really know. I don't know why I keep trying to rhyme. It's not funny. Just stop it. Crypt Keeper, Cisco, welcome. Hey, did everybody have a great weekend? Did you have a good Christmas? What's everybody doing for New Year's? Anything fun? Keep tapping that screen. We only have 754 likes. I need like 5,000 by lunchtime. Come on, guys. Keep tapping the screen if you know what I mean, Jelly Bean. Your girlfriend or your wife will thank me later. Trust me. Santa's doing great. He's in a $1,400 short. He's in a $1,400, $1,200 short right now. He's doing great today. Green overall, he's going to be green close to 1,400 after this trade is done probably. Unless it just continues to go down. But he's doing his duties today, that's for sure. Dawn Dada, Gideon, Nightwalker, Kevin Azair, welcome in. Thank you for being here. Nutty Professor Jose Montoyo, Coffee Break. Area, hello, welcome. Or Aria, one of those. C Money, welcome in. Did everybody have a great Christmas? You having a happy New Year? What are you doing? Any big plans? All right. Santa's out. He's green $1,070 so far on the day. $1,074 on the day on Santa. Let's see. Silver Oracle. Can we watch him? If I could spell LMNOP. Where is it? How come I can't find it? Am I blind? There it is. Oracle. I was blind, folks. I was blind. Like blinded by the light. Blinded by the light. You know that song? Let's see. Bring in Silver Oracle. It's a no play on Monday, but I just wanted to show you. Don't worry about it. I know it says NQ, but this is silver. Trust me, it's silver. Oh no. Oh no, where'd it go? What did I do? Oh, jeez, I'm so silly. There it is, Silver Oracle. Look at that, $1,000 short right now on Silver Oracle. It's a no play on Monday, but you know, just saying, you don't. One mini contract, green $950. Even if you had this on one micro, if you could run it on one micro, it'd be green, basically $100. And you know, $100 a day is $2,000 a month. Hi Cal, are you going to trade tomorrow? Probably not. Not on my live accounts. Probably not. It depends on what the pre-market market is doing. Honestly, if it's moving and grooving and it looks like it has some volume and it's not just sideways consolidation, I might try and take a trade or two, but I'm not going to probably run the algorithms on my live accounts, that's for sure. And then I'm off on Wednesday. So, Flem, welcome to the Swagonators Mount Up. Thank you for being here. Appreciate the follow. So, yeah, I will not be here on Wednesday, but I will be here tomorrow and then Thursday and Friday for the new year. It's a new year. We got to swag every day together. We got to stop when we're at our goals together, whether that's a win or a loss. No revenge trading next year. No FOMO. Just treat it as a job. Anything over $100 a day is going to average $2,000 a month per account. So we're going to go slow and steady and hope to make our $100 a day each and every day. And that would average $2,000 a month per account, right? Per account. So if I did that for 3 months, then I could move up to $200 a day. And then if I do that for 3 more months, I could move up to $300 a day. And then by the end of the year, I'll hopefully be up to $400 a day because I'll have a big enough buffer in my accounts and end the year over 6 figures. So yeah, that's my goal. What's your goal? That's my New Year's goal for next year. Do you guys write your goals out? Do you have a plan at all? If not, you need to make one. Matthew, Apple user, JJB, Cool Clips, Get Gata, Beta, Kareem, Gibson, Wilmore, Arietta, Carlos Carrera, Gallo, Fernandez, Trish, Balthazar, Julio Reyes, Don Data, welcome in. That's my goal too. Thank you, Gallo. This is the algorithm that got into that. This is called Silver Oracle. It's one of the standard algorithms that you get for $500 for the first month. Or if you want premium, you can also get a premium algos. But Oracle is part of the standard algorithms that you get for the first month for $500. So it just doubled and made you $1,000 if you had it on one mini contract in one day, one trade. So Davey Doolittle, that's your goal too, $100 a day, and then scale up as you progress and build your buffer. Very smart, very wise. That's my goal. I'm laying it out there. I'm going to write it out on a big piece of paper, and you got to stick to it each and every day. You just got to treat it like a job. You cannot have FOMO. You cannot revenge trade. You can't be mad if you take a loss. If you take, some professional people, some traders I listen to, they say if you take 3 losses in a day, you're just done. Just be done for the day. You're not, your mind's not right. or it's something you're not seeing the market right, or it's just one of those days where the market's really hard and choppy and volatile, and it's not a good day to trade. But set your goals, set your stop losses, set your limits, swag, stop when you're at your goal, and treat it like a job. You know, most people go to a 9 to 5 and they work 8 hours a day and they're lucky to make $200 that day because that's a $25 an hour job, right? 25 times 8 is, $200. So, and then you got to think all the taxes that get taken out, the insurance, yada, yada, yada. So, if you can make $100 a day trading and equal $2,000 a month, and then let's say you have multiple prop firms, let's say you have 10 funded accounts, that's $1,000 a day you're making, right? 100 times 10 is 1,000. So as long as you can go slow and steady and just build up over time, it's going to pay you out, guys. All from just making $100 a day. And you could do that on our micro plan. We have a new micro strategy game plan with very low risk set up to win about $3,700 a month for you. Very easy to do using our algorithms. All you have to do is sign up. It's $500 for the first month, or you want to try it for 2 weeks, it's $300, and then it's $1,000 a month after that. And look, I'm showing you a trade right now that's $1,000 on one mini in one day. This is a live silver trade that I'm in. It's called Oracle Silver. It's part of the standard algorithms that you get access to, and we're up $1,075 on it right now. So if you want more information, please email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. Let me show you the Big Bang. That's another one. This is a premium algorithm. Where is he? There it is. Let me move this one over here. Move silver off to the side here. Move Big Bang in here. This is NQ Big Bang. This is part of the premium strategy algorithms, okay? It's in a $600 long here. Why did I put it that way? I need to put it this way. There we go. $600 long on NQ Big Bang. $1,500 a month for the premium, and this one trade basically got you half of your monthly payment. George Craig, Rochiero, Fercho in New York, Mildly, J Money, Buffster, Johnny Sue, Ali, Mustafa, Emric. I received Bach Seats algorithm. Any trading plan you suggest with that? I bought 150K. Yeah, Trusty, we'll go over all that when we have our Zoom call together here. As soon as Irma's done double checking your settings for the algorithms, we'll schedule a Zoom, me and you, and we'll go over all that, okay? Chief, Aesthetic, Hallie, Carlos, Andy, Willie, welcome in. How you like Let Him Cook? I don't even know what the hell that is. Riley, what is that? Is that a crypto or a meme coin or something? Kojak, welcome in. NYG, I don't know what that is either. What are you talking about, guys? We don't do crypto here. We only do the futures market. If this is your first time tuning in, my name is Kyle. This is the Swag Show. What do you know? I do go live Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern, showing you live futures market trading using BoldBot. I know nothing but follow directions well. Is this recommended? Yes. If you can follow directions, then you could be successful. Hold on one second. I got to take this phone call.
after the
Hey.
call to take a
Good
brief
morning,
survey.
Fritzer. All right, guys, give me 1 minute while I'm on the phone with the post office. It's about my kid's birthday present, so bear with me, please. I appreciate you. All right, sorry about that, guys. Had to track down a birthday package for my kids. It's all right. Sorry about that. Ahmad Jafari, welcome to the Swagonators Mount Up. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate you being here. Let's get back into the live stream here. Sorry about that, guys. Fritzner, welcome. Entry. Raymark got in, it looks like, at 21,324 and 3/4 is where Big Bang NQ got in there. Ahmad, welcome to the Swagonators Mount Up. Thank you for being here. Appreciate you. What'd I miss? We're back. It's 11:07. Get those likes up. Only 1,000 likes. I'm very disappointed in you guys today. But thank you for being here. I appreciate you. Keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean. Jelly bean till your fingers turn green. Help me, help you, help others. Raymark, Savo Sav, Don, Masilio, welcome in. $870 long on NQ Big Bang here. Daily Crypto Trader, welcome in. Appreciate you being here. Good morning. Good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're at on planet Earth. How are you guys doing today? Did you have a good weekend? Sell, right? I don't know. You're trying to learn how to trade? Me too. That's where it did buy at. Yeah. That's where it got in the long position at 21,323 or something. Right now, I wouldn't buy. I would wait here and see what happens. This is for entertainment purposes only. This is not trading or financial advice. This is just showing you how the algorithms work. Got a big green bullish candle followed by a doji. So you never know. It might be just pulling back up to this 21,390-ish level and then turn back around and go down. Make sure you practice Savo in simulation for quite a while. Before you ever think about trading any live money. $21,360 might be a good level to get in at. If you missed it, it might pull back to around 65-ish, 60-ish. Don't fight the trend. The trend is your friend. It did its little consolidation, and now it's 3 green candles in a row so far on a 15-minute. So do with that information of what you will. $1,000 now on this NQ Big Bang long. Might have a hard time getting back up and over 21,400 though, so yes, just be careful. GJ Spot, welcome. Kappa, hello, hello. Do-do. Good morning, good morning. If this is your first time tuning in, this is the Swag Show. I do go live Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern Time, showing you live futures market trading using BoldBot, which is a fully automated trading algorithm for the futures market. And if you want more information, please just email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com right there on your screen. If you know what I mean, Jelly Bean. $300 for the first 2 weeks. If you want that option, please email us and let us know. What do you think about boiling options for the list of put options to short? I don't know. I'm sorry, RS, we don't do options. Hi, is this the bot trading for you? Yes. The algorithm is trading for me. I do manually trade as well. I have taken the digital mentorship, which is also on sale. $1,000 right now. Very good. Burberry, very good observation. Yes, it is kind of just moving sideways here. After that big move up, it's going to try and figure out if it's going to go back down or continue up. Ahmad Jafari, hey, thank you for the heart, man. I appreciate you. Thank you for the gifts. If I had my sound effect board, I'd clap, I'd cheer. Thank you for the heart, man. 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 Day must be done. I'm done. That's for sure. Amazing Arifi. Welcome to the Swaginators. Mount up. Thank you so much. Appreciate the follows. I'm probably going to do another giveaway here. Maybe when we get close to 4,000, over 4,000. Definitely going to do another giveaway for one free month of the standard algorithms come January. End of January, probably. Handsome Poppy Cyrus, welcome in. Karan Preet, welcome in. Kowak, Ice Burst Onyx, welcome in. Keep tapping that screen. If you know what I mean, Jelly Bean, thank you for being here. $975 on this Big Bang NQ long. Oracle Silver still in a $1,000 long. Other than that, it's consolidating like Burberry said. Sideways movement for the past 3 15-minute candles basically, and that other one was a pretty big range. It went above 21,400 back down to 21,300. So that was a 100-point range in that one, but the last half an hour it's been within a 30 or 40-point range here, so be careful. Might not be much movement tomorrow, so I don't know if I'm going to trade live, but I will be live on air tomorrow showing you what the algorithms are going to do. So, I don't know. Otherwise, we do have the special of $500 for the first month, $1,000 a month after that for the standard algorithms going on still. What type of desktop laptop is the best to run a bot smoothly? Handsome, something within the past at least 3 years. And then we recommend getting a VPS. That's a virtual private server. I use Chart VPS for mine. That way, it's a dedicated computer that is on the cloud, basically, that a company, monitors, it takes care of, upgrades for you, and all your data is secure, and you won't have to worry about it. But if you're going to use like a laptop, which, you have to have a computer to trade on, I'm just saying it doesn't have to be the latest and greatest, but if you want to get something, you need it to be within the last 3 years probably. Right now I'm using a 12-year-old gaming computer that I custom built. But I just run my VPS through it. So it's not really using that to trade, if that makes sense. But yeah, spend whatever, 800 to 1500 in that price range to get a decent computer. I've got 3 monitors. If you're going to be trading from home and you can sit there at your desk, you need at least 2 monitors, in my opinion. Get a good processor, a lot of RAM, at least 32 gigs of RAM, a decent processor, a good graphics card. You don't have to go overboard on the graphics card because it's just charts, right? It's more about the processor and the RAM and. But yeah. I think Apex is actually doing a sale too of something. Some sort of gaming or some sort of trading computer, sorry. No problem. You're welcome. Thank you for being here. Can I buy now? You can buy the algorithm now, yeah. $500 for the first month, $1,000 a month after that, or $300 for the first 2 weeks if you want to catch the sale of the century, good until the end of the year. If you're asking if you should buy the NQ right now and go long, I cannot give you that advice, but the trend is your friend. Follow the trend. It might go up to 21,450 and then that's as high as it's going to let it come back up, but just be careful. MHEE, welcome to the Swaginators. Mount up. Thank you for being here. I think the music's a little lower than normal today. I didn't turn it up quite enough, but I'm going deaf, so you never know. Maybe it's perfect for you guys. What do we got? We got NQ Big Bang in a trade. We got Oracle Silver. We got Santa. We're missing a Santa trade. How can I let you guys miss a Santa trade? It's still in the Christmas season. Where'd he go? Ho, ho, ho. There he is. Santa's in this $740 long. Look at that. Santa got in at 21,376 3/4. 845, 865. Like I said, the trend is your friend. Don't fight the trend. If it can get up and over 21,450, it might continue up, but it's got to get over 21,450. I would not be messing around with that. Is this a prop firm account? Uh, yeah, I have prop firm accounts and I have a cash account. I have 6 prop firm accounts and 1 cash account right now. I was hoping Tradeify would go back on sale a little bit more than 35% off, but haven't seen it yet. So waiting to see if they're going to go on sale and get a bigger discount, and then I'll grab some more Tradeify accounts. But this is Santa in a $600 long. I need Apex to do a 90% off. Yeah, that would be nice. I don't know. They did one, what, around Thanksgiving, Black Friday. I don't know if they're going to do one for New Year's. I hope that everybody had a good Christmas. I hope you have a fun and safe New Year. Anybody doing anything fun? Not me. I'll have my boys, so I'm just going to be sitting at home watching TV probably with my boys, watch a movie or something. 1,400 on this Big Bang NQ long. I do like the Tradeify straight to funded though. We can go slow and steady with those if you get the 150K for around 350 when they're on sale. That's a good deal. I like that company. They take care of their people. Apex is good as well. They just are hard for some people to stick to their consistency rules. And they raised their PA fee from 85 back up to 125. So it's kind of, you almost have to wait for a 90% off sale for them to be worth it, in my opinion. You got Top Step right now that's giving 50Ks out for $49, I think. Take Profit is another one that's good, that you can get a 50K for $100 and that's it. You don't have to pay a PA fee, or after you pass the eval, you don't have to pay another type of fee. But yeah, cash is going to be king. If you can come up with a cash account, you can make good money. We got a new MicroStrategy game plan set up, projected to win around 3,700. Just risking usually 1 micro on all the strategies, 1 mini on one of the strategies. All within the guidelines of the prop firms now. You're just looking to really make 100 to 200 a day. That's a good place to start. Anything extra is just icing on the cake. It's all gravy, baby. You know what I'm saying? $100 a day is $2,000 a month. 200 a day is $4,000 a month. How much more do you want to go? Slow and steady wins the race. Ask my boy Mr. H. He knows all about it. He's been doing the slow and steady thing for years and making a killing. Wish him nothing but the best. The Apex 80% off and 85 PA was the best deal. Better than the 90 with the 25. Yeah, I mean, I think it almost equaled to be the same, though. Because 80% off was around, what, $37 for a 50K. 37 and 85 is 120. So, yeah, you're right. 80% with 85 was better. Yeah, definitely better than 90 with 125 by about 10, 15 bucks. Something like that. 20 bucks. But yeah, that's why I like Tradeify, straight to funded. No evals. It is a little more expensive, but you got end of the day drawdown instead of intraday, which I love for being able to take bigger sizing on some stuff. Bigger risk to reward. You don't have to worry about busting or hitting your drawdown with Tradeify. I don't know. Just I'm trying all of them. I've got Apex, I got Top Step, I've got Take Profit. I had Tradeify. I busted them, so I'm waiting on them to go on sale. But no pair, sir. Raymark, this is the futures market. This is NQ on the futures market. No stocks, no crypto, no forex, no options. Just the futures market. Ahmad, once again, I appreciate all hearts. Thank you for those. AMG Foodie, welcome in, girl. How you been? Hey, girl. How you been? How was your Christmas? Did you buy yourself another Mercedes Benz? Ace is the place for the friendly hardware folks. Something like that. I don't know. I just saw a guy named Ace in the chat. Sometimes you just get silly when you feel like you're talking to yourself. Cowboy hats now? Really? Ahmad, stop. I appreciate it. Hey, I appreciate it. Stop it. You don't have to do that. You don't have to do all that. I appreciate you, though. Thank you for the hearts. Thank you for the cowboy hat, the roses. Smell so good. Not going to become one of them silly NPC players, though. I'll play some Dungeons and Dragons, but I'm not going to be an NPC. Mustache. Yeah, Anybody ever go on a water fast? You ever tried fasting on water for like 2 days and see what that does? Hi, Ada. I didn't even see you sneak in there. What's happening, girl? How you doing today? I'm still holding runner from 640. Took profit 21K. You got in at what? You got short at 640 this morning? AMG, good lord, girl. You a beast. You a baller. Shot caller. I'm a baller. Very good, very good. Ready for the New Year's? Yeah, me too. Very nice, AMG. That's very nice trade right there if you got in from 640 and you're still holding. Andrew, hello, good morning. I want to be a baller, shot caller, 20-inch blades on the Impala. Yeah, having a little pullback here. I'm guessing it's probably going to have a hard time getting back above 21,450. That might be as far as it's wanting to go back up before it goes back down, but well, if you already made 21,000 today, I don't think you need to trade anymore, AMG. What happened to your swag, girl? Your swag is like 10 times bigger than mine. More like 100 times bigger than mine if you're making 21K a day. Yeah, it's, in my opinion, I don't know, maybe I'm wrong, but from what I'm seeing and what I've been hearing on the chatter boxes this morning, 21,450 is going to be hard for it to get back over, so we'll see. Maybe not. Might just want to reverse and shoot back up here to the moon. Sitting at 21,400 right now. Just one contract left on. There you go. As a runner. Where's your stop loss at? Or do you have a stop loss? I'm not doing anything for New Year's except probably watching a movie with my boys. That's about it, really. I got my boys, so I'm not going out and partying. NQ later is going to look maybe to take a trade. It's got to get up and over this 410 level, I think. But I turned it off. I am done for the day. I made my $260 on all my accounts. $772 on my Top Step eval. So I'm done. I'm happy with that. I'll probably be done for the year. Stop loss is at 460. Yeah, that's probably a good place. Like I said, it's everything I was listening to this morning on Top Step TV, and from what we've learned in the student channel, 21,450 is going to be hard to get back through, in my opinion. So we'll see what happens, though. $1,700 long low on NQ Big Bang. See how far this is going to go up, and away. Thank you for the roses. Thank you for the hearts, Ahmad. I appreciate you so much. Smells so good. Smells like money. Just letting the runner play. Yeah. What do you take though? Do you start with 5 minis and then scale off? I thought that's what you said one time, but I don't remember. It should reject from 21,443. Let's see. 21,443. Yeah. It's yeah, that's the top of a fair value gap. So yeah, that's probably pretty close to it. I like that call, day trader. I like that call. Could fill that fair value gap and then reject and go back down. Yeah. We're all around the same areas of all thinking about the same thing here. On YouTube, the one on the left, it's a new strategy called NQ Prop Premium Algorithm. It's where is it at? It's green. Now I can't even find it. Oh, it was green $1,000. Now it's green 400. So it took 2 losses, I think. But it's still $400 a day is $8,000 a month. So nothing to sneeze at. Nothing to sneeze at here, folks. 21,407, 408, $1,600 long on this NQ Big Bang. What'd you get for Christmas? Anybody buy themselves anything extravagant for Christmas? Did you get anything good? I'll tell you what my favorite gift is, and you're going to laugh at me, but it was a new garbage can for the kitchen that had an automatic lid that raises up when you wave your hand over it. I love it. it's, when your hands are full, or the little pedal that you used to push with your foot is broken and kept popping the lid off and it wouldn't open, then your hands are full of stuff. It's just so easy. You just wave your hand over the little thing and the lid opens for you and you throw your garbage in there. It's just a simple life, and simple things in life for me right now. I'm not even kidding. A new garbage can. Yeah. That's my life right now. It's what happens when you have 3 boys. You got all the money goes to them basically. On NinjaTrader, Yariel, it works on NinjaTrader. $1,800 now on this NQ Big Bang long. This is one where you could move the stop loss up and take more profit because it can pull back quite a bit. Lan LAN Auto Parts, welcome in. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. Welcome to the Swaginators. Mount up. $500, guys, for the first month of the standard algorithms, $1,000 a month after that, or we have a flash sale, Christmas sale, whatever you want to call it. You can try it out for 2 weeks for $300 for the standard algorithms. $1,000 a month after that, also the digital mentorship. Learn how to manually trade. It's on sale now until the end of the year for $1,000. Rainy, welcome to the Swaginators. Mount up, thank you for the follow. Appreciate it. All right, we're moving up here. 21,431. We'll see if it stops out at that 443 level that Day Trader was talking about. Got really close. The student channel is life-changing. We get a morning Zoom call, the student play of the day, the proprietary chop zone, manual alerts, and so much more. If you want to join the BoldBot family, come on over right now. Email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. Let us know. We're looking for some fine young recruits. Be the few, the proud, the BoldBot family, Marines. Come join the BoldBot family. And you too can make $100 to $200 a day easily using the algorithms, which equals out to $2,000 to $4,000 a month per account, guys. Come on. All right, we got Big Bang ES in a trade, $175. Big Bang NQ, what you're watching right now on TikTok, $1,800. Oracle Gas Green, $450, and Oracle Silver Green, $1,100. Only things in a trade right now are those four. $1,970, high watermark there. Unless I missed something. Might have been over 2,000. I wasn't looking. P2P, welcome to the Swaginators. Mount up. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate you being here. How are you doing today? Did you have a good Christmas? How was your New Year? Oh, wait, it hasn't happened yet. Do you have plans for New Year? That's what I meant to say. Some days my brain just doesn't work right. Most days, anyway. But as long as I swag, which is stop when I'm at my goal, I'll be okay. Some days are harder than others, but... 2,200 where are we at? 21,438. So we're getting close to that 443 level that Day Trader was talking about. We'll see if that's where this wants to stop, or if it's going to run all the way up to 21,450 here. Either way, pretty close, within a few points. We'll see what happens. Space Duck, welcome in. I love it. Some of the names that you guys come up with is hilarious. Jim, welcome in. Zyrul, welcome in. Keep tapping that screen. It's 11:41 on December 30th, 2024. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you're at on planet Earth. Thank you for being here. Tuning in, watching my silly little show called The Swag Show. I do go live Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern Time, showing you live futures market trading. And there's that 443. We'll see. There's 444. See how high it's going to go, if it's going to go all the way up to 50 or 60 before it stops, or if it's just going to buy all this move back. Who knows? You never know. The market can humble you real quick. Might go up to 21,476 here. Support one on a 15-minute chart and, hit that. Who knows? I will be live tomorrow. I will be here tomorrow, but I will not be here on Wednesday, on New Year's Day. I'm taking that day off because the market's closed. So enjoy tomorrow night. Enjoy your holiday. 21,455, 56. AMG might want to think about just go ahead and closing it out. Capturing max profit here. You never know. She's got her stop loss set to 60, and there it is. It just hit 60. So good trade, though. Congratulations on that. We'll see if it's going to go all the way up to 21,476 and stop there, or if they're just going to continue to buy this here. I don't know where this is coming from, but volume's still there. So who knows? It's crazy. $2,700 on NQ Big Bang now. What a trade by this premium algorithm. What a trade, guys. Only risks 500 per trade. And this can run as far as it wants to run. Like, this thing could keep going. I've seen it get into a $7,000, $8,000 trade before. So there is no stopping this. It can just keep going as long as the market's going. $625 on ES Big Bang in a long, $2,700 on this NQ Big Bang. We got Oracle Gas in a trade, Oracle Silver in a trade. And that's it. Santa's not in a trade. He's on lunch break in 11 minutes. Which is crazy because you thought he would have caught most of this move, but he did not. Not on my end, anyway. Different results sometimes for different people, though. Suki, welcome to the Swagonators Mount Up. Crazy Trader, welcome to the Swagonators Mount Up. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the follows. I'm going to be probably doing a giveaway at 4,000 followers, and then again at the end of the month, I'm going to have to talk with the boss lady. I might have to come, I don't know. Might have to come up with something here for the 4,000 follower mark. All right, NQ Later's in a trade here, aka Bacon. It's in a long, got in a long here at 21,458. What is the win rate with the BoldBot Algo? Well, each one is different, so it's kind of hard to answer that question. We have some space duck that run at a 92% win rate to 96% win rate, and then we have some that are 60% win rate, but they're profitable. So it's kind of a tricky question to answer. Instead of worrying about the win rate, worry about, are they profitable in the long run? And yes, they are profitable in the long run. Otherwise, if they're performing bad, we will tweak them, or we'll put them in timeout until we figure out a better setting, or we'll tell people not to run them at the moment until they start performing better. But we're on top of things. We We watch everything every day to try and see if everything's still performing well. If we notice a losing trend, we'll just, we'll tweak it or we'll put it in timeout until something changes in the market. But yeah, we do have some algorithms that run around a 92% win rate, if that's what you're worried about. All right, there's that 21,460 I was talking about earlier. That could have been, and AMG was talking about that's where her stop loss was. So she might have let it breathe a little bit. Who knows? It barely got over 21,460. So I don't know if she kept it or moved it. Yeah, you're welcome, man. Thank you for being here and asking questions. I appreciate you. Harry Piotr, welcome back in. How are you today? Dub Crawford, welcome back. Hello, my friend, we meet again. It's been a while, where should we begin? It feels like forever. All right, enough of that. Antonio, welcome in. Thank you for being here. Katrika, welcome in. I think that's how you say your name. JJWGE. Hilmi Eduardo, welcome in. Ace, back in the house. Do me a favor. Just as fast as you can. Keep tapping the screen as many times as you can until your fingers turn green. Just keep tapping that screen, if you know what I mean, Jelly Bean, until your fingers turn green. Help me, help you, help others. It's 11:48. 2,400 likes. If we can get to 5,000 by the end of the stream, I'll be happy. Oh. Hope it goes back up. Yeah, for those that are in NQ later, like I said, I shut mine off because I had already reached my goal for the day. But if you're in NQ later, yes, we do want it to go back up. I saw that it was probably going to have a hard time getting through this level here and didn't like where it was sitting. So sometimes that's what the power of the digital mentorship will do for you. It'll show you things like that you can kind of see and learn about in the mentorship and on the morning Zoom call. And then you can decide on if you want to turn the algorithm off. If it's in a level that we talked about on the student call, that it might have a hard time getting back through. So, but if you're in it, I hope it does go back up for you. I hope it does go back up to 21,485. But it's having a real hard time here. Having a real hard time here. Did anyone took my area trade? Yeah. The short from 60 would have worked out nice. $443 was a little premature, but not by much. Only 20 points. It went all the way up to 463. And now it's moving back down. So, but this could just be a pullback. It could be a pullback. So if you're in NQ later, have no fear. This could just be a pullback candle here. A big, what is that? 40-point pullback candle. Just hold on a minute. Hold your horses. Trust in the algo. BMW, what's happening, my man? Hello, good morning, good afternoon. This is emotional roller coaster. Don't let your emotions get involved. Stop watching it. Just let the algorithm do its thing. It's been a good Monday for me. Yes, it has. Thank you, BMW. I appreciate it. I hope for you as well. We're hoping for all those still in the NQ later trade that this market continues up here all the way to 21,485 would be take profit. So ye will welcome to the Swagonators mount up. 21,471 could be another nice short. Yeah, 476-ish is the support level on a 15-minute. We'll see what happens here. This could just be a pullback candle on the 15-minute chart, like I'm saying. You never know. That's a big pullback. That's 40 points. So hold your horses. Slow and steady. Take your profit and clock out for the day. NQ later got in at 21,458 even on a long for me. Luckily, I turned it off. Like I said, once I hit my goal, guys, I don't need the algorithms to keep running and give back anything. I use them to make my profit, but then I shut them off once I make it. So 11:54 a.m. Eastern time. How you guys doing? Thanks for sticking around. I'm trying to do a water fast. Is that smart? Has anybody done that? Trying to just drink water for 2 days and not eat. Is that a smart thing to do? I'm so hungry already. I don't know. Put some lime and salt on the water. Does that help? That helps, like, crave your hunger. I don't have any limes. You should get a hamburger and think about it. That's probably what I'll end up doing because I'm so weak, Super Z. I have no, self control. When I'm hungry, I get hangry, and it's like I'm hungry, I'm gonna eat, But Burberry says put some lime and salt on the water. So I don't know. I don't have. What VPS do you use? Chart VPS. Chart VPS. Excuse me. CHART Chart VPS. Why do you say 35 is better than Apex? NQ later, finally green, maybe? Is that what he was saying? Uh, why do you say 35 is better than Apex? I don't know what you mean, in Crypto Babe. I said Tradeify, in my opinion, I like better than Apex. If maybe you misunderstood me, but yeah. Who said I look cute? Is that Lauren? Seriously, stop it. Tradeify. Yeah, I like Tradeify better just because you can go straight to funded. Um, and there's no evaluation period. There's an end of the day drawdown instead of an intraday drawdown, so you don't hit your drawdown nearly as much. So you can take bigger sizing on, especially on a 150K account. Also, they corrected a data disconnect from Tradeovate within hours and reset everybody's accounts one day when that happened. So their customer service to me is just on top notch tier one. So to me, I just like Tradeify right now as the best, even though I busted my account and I don't have any Tradeify. If they ever do go on sale above 40% or 40% again or more, I will be getting more of them. Right now, I think it's 35% off straight to funded accounts. And you can have, I think, 5 of them. They went back to 5. But it's a really good company, in my opinion. I like them. So remember, we do have the flash sale going on right now. If you want to try the standard algorithms for 2 weeks, it's just $300. Otherwise, it's $500 for the first month of the standard algorithms, $1,000 a month after that. NQ later is now in the green. Go, go, go. Push it up there for the people in the NQ later. In the bot we trust, it was like 2 ticks away from hitting stop loss. Now we're green 200. Need to get it all the way up there to like 21,485 for everybody to be safe and take profit. But yeah, I'm also going to be doing a giveaway at the end of January. We're going to be doing it at the end of each month. At least one lucky member will win 1 free month of the standard algos. If you're already on the list, I kept you on the list. I just removed the winners. But make sure you follow me on all social media, just in case TikTok does go away next year. Follow the YouTube channel, please. Go over, follow the BoldBot YouTube channel. Subscribe to it. Turn on the bell notifications. Click the thumbs up button. Leave a comment down below. And there is my 12 o'clock TikTok live studio notification that they've detected inactivity. Yeah, so I got to solve a silly little puzzle. It's crazy, but whatever. We'll do it. There you go. Okay, there's your puzzle solved. Thank you. Push, push, push. Push, push, push. Let's go for the NQ later, folks. Burberry, are you still in it? Burberry, if you're in it, you know, you can always move it up. Do you think it's smart to buy now? No. I don't give financial advice. I do not think it's smart to buy right now. You do what you want to do. It could be a deep V pattern. You never know. But this could also get to a certain level where it's at pretty close to right now. That might be as high as it wants to go. So if you want to move your stop loss into profit, if you're in NQ later, there's nothing wrong with taking profit. But we wanted to push up 8 more points here. 5 more points here. Oh, so close. That 476 is a strong level. I'm telling you, take profit if you can. Don't give it all back, but it might push cashed out at 415. There you go. Don't be mad. Don't FOMO if it does hit full target. Better safe than sorry. Well, you should trust it. It's good. It's just at a really hard level right now is the only problem with it. But it might buy all this move back. You never know. It might just continue to run up. But good job, Burberry. Way to get out of there while you can. Take the profit. Just look up BoldBot. There it went. See, don't be mad. It took profit. $500 on NQ later. Congratulations to all those that were in it. Just look up BoldBot. I'm a 200 to 400 kind of guy. Yeah, me too. Me too. I'm not mad at it. I could have had my top step eval still in that trade and taken it, but you know, why risk the biscuit? I'm already up 772 on the day on that top step eval, so no need to risk it. I am almost back to even on it. Excuse me. Yeah. 49,750. So I'm down $250 on my top step overall, but hey, a new year, I will be able to pass it next year. Take profit. Up 1,910 on that. And 1,400 on all my Apex, except one, for some reason, is down $50 from the rest of them. It's still up 1,300. But the rest of them are like 1,430, 1,460, so. And then the poor cash account. Poor cash account's down for some reason. Just waiting to see if mid takes a trade. Let's see. Where's mid? Mid's done. Mid won't take a trade. The time period has lapsed for mid, Burberry. So it's not going to take a trade. If it hasn't taken a trade on mid, it won't take a trade. It's already past the time. $3,200 on this Big Bang, NQ Big Bang. Premium strategy right here, guys. $3,200 trade. Like I said, I've seen this go up over 8,000 on one trade before, so. Can you copy trade across multiple platforms? Yes, you can. I use Replicanto. That's what the Flowbot symbol on the screen is. I have an affiliate code and link with them. If you check my link tree in my profile, it'll send you over there. Use the code BoldBot20 and get 20% off. Done for the day then. There you go. Good job. Shut it down. Go enjoy the rest of your day. And we'll see you back tomorrow. I might not be trading my live accounts tomorrow. It all depends on what the market looks like pre-market and overnight tonight. But I will let the algorithms trade for me, and I will be live tomorrow. I will not be live on Monday, though, or Wednesday. Well, see, I can't talk sometimes. I will not be live on Wednesday on New Year's Day. You guys go have a fun, safe New Year's Eve tomorrow night. Don't drink and drive. Call an Uber, call a Lyft, call a cab. It's not worth, trust me, it is not worth drinking and driving. Don't risk your life for somebody else's. $40 Uber, is going to be probably the most you're going to pay, but it's worth it. Today was a great, awesome day. Yes, it was, Reyes. I hope you made a lot of money. I hope you made a bunch of money. I know AMG, she made a bunch of money. I made some good money, though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 live accounts times 250. That's over $1,000 today. That's a good day in my book. That's a good day, guys. 5 live accounts. I have 4 Apex funded accounts and a cash account, and they all made over $250. So that's $1,000 day. I can't ask for anything more. I can, but I don't really want to. I don't want to get greedy. I just want to make my swag goal and stick to it. Anything over $100 a day per account, I'm happy with. Once I get this take profit passed and this top step passed, then I will have 7 total live accounts. And then I'm waiting on Tradeify to go on sale. So I hope they go on sale so I can get some more Tradeify accounts because I really like them. I just was silly and was oversizing on them and revenge traded on them and busted them. But shit happens, right? 20 points NQ already from my zone. Yeah, it went way well over your 443 there. But, sometimes that happens. But I tell you what, it did not go above very far that 21,476 that I talked about. It wicked up over it, but that might be, a level to look at. I have Take Profit Trader. 50K can't make over 1,500 a day or they cancel us. They don't cancel you, do they? It's just, if you're talking about an eval Super Z, I thought it was just you have to average it out. Like you have to trade a couple more days. To equal it, because it says 1 day can't be more than 50% of your goal. So you just have to, I thought, trade longer to get it under 50%, and then you pass the eval that way. Because on one of my days, I was over that. That's why I'm hoping. Let me log into it and see what it says real quick. Let me see when it is, what it says here. What's the best account plan to choose on Tradeify? If you can afford the straight to funded Crypto Babe, get those. I like the 150K just because the bigger drawdown. So yeah. Let's see, what's it say? Your biggest day cannot be more than 50% of your total profit. So they don't cancel you, Super Z. You just have to keep trading a couple more days to get it under that 50%. That's all. But you could still reach your goal. You might just have to trade another day, I think. Because I'm hitting all my check marks on everything. But one day I made 1,660 on a trade. So... yeah, what it does is, here, I see it. It recalculates your new profit target. So instead of now making 3,000, I have to make 3,321. So, yeah. Apex changed a few rules. 50K can't have profit over 750 or negative P&L more than 750. Yeah. Yeah, I saw that. So if you stick within the $200 to $300 range a day, 400, 500 if you want to, it's more about using up that drawdown. Like you can't use up more than 750 worth of drawdown in a day, or they can deny your payout. But if you just stay consistent around the same amount each day, 200, 300, you'll be fine. And yeah, now my take profit goal on take profit is 3,321 Super Z. So yeah, if you log in and you look at it, it'll show you what your adjusted new take profit goal is. So don't worry about it if you went over the 1,500. So yeah. Carlos, hey bud, great trading day. With Replicento Copier, can you trade different prop firms accounts at the same time? Yes. Yes, Carlos. I use Replicento, and like I said, I have Apex, Take Profit Trader, Top Step, and Tradeify, and a cash account. So you can copy all of them over using Replicanto. Whatever's connected to your NinjaTrader will then show up in Replicanto, and then you can assign it different strategies and go from there. But yeah, you can definitely do that. Yeah, I wish Apex had ended today too. I thought they were talking about possibly um, coming up with some new accounts that are like straight to funded that do have that from the last interview that Daryl Martin had that I saw, but it might be coming next year. So hopefully they do that. I think they're realizing that more and more people want that, but I don't know. Maybe that's not in their um, business model. Maybe that's not the way they want to go, which is fine. I mean, they're trying to help you become more disciplined uh, as a trader and stick to your goals each and every day. So before, yeah, let's not talk about that one. That company, boy, oh boy, that's a bad deal for everybody involved. I'm sorry if anybody got burnt on that. I did not luckily buy any of those accounts at the time. I just didn't know enough about the company. It was brand new. It sounded like too good to be true, and unfortunately, it was. But with Tradeify, it looks like everybody's. I'm getting paid out from them from affiliate code stuff. So I'm sure people are getting paid on the trading side of it as well. Apex took my 5PA accounts and suspended me forever because I complained about slippage of over 1K. Oh, damn. Friend of mine didn't get 30K's worth of payment. Yeah. Uh, a lot of the people in the group didn't get paid out either. Day trader from Fast Track. So Super Z, I'm sorry to hear that, man. That's horrible. Who do you use now then? Just take profit? I earn up to $25,000 a week weekly though. Hey, congratulations, Trader XE1. That's amazing, man. Good job. That's a lot of money. That's a lot of money. That's like 100K a month. Good job, man. Last year it was I used take profit. Yeah. Yeah, I'm trying them all. Like I said, I really like how Tradeify helped everybody out and reset their accounts within hours when Tradeovate had that data disconnect. So that's why I like them. But I haven't had an issue with anybody else yet. I'm trying to pass a top step eval. I'm trying once again to pass another take profit. I just sometimes forget that the take profit does have that $1,100 drawdown, and it's caught me a couple of times. I just got to go super small and slow on the take profit. That's what I've realized. So Trader X, are you on the Nasdaq, or what do you trade normally? What product do you trade? The futures market, the Nasdaq, gold, oil, ES, Big Bang NQ still in this $3,000 long from earlier. Do. It is 12:15. We got about 10 minutes left of the stream. Trade gold. That makes sense. Yeah, you can make a lot of money on gold if you know what you're doing. $10 a tick. That'll get you. That'll get you going quick. I do better with micros, a lot less stressful and profitable. Yeah, it took me a long time to realize that. Super. Took me hundreds of accounts before I realized I was like, what the heck am I doing? And it just it got more emotional. Yeah, it got more mentally challenging. Now I feel comfortable with the size I'm at when I trade manually. I trade just micros, unless it's an evaluation, and then I can size up if I want to. But I don't like blowing any more evals. You know, I spend enough money on evals, so I'm going small, slow, and steady next year. Trust me. I'm going to start out with $100 a day. Anything over that is just icing on the cake. And then for 3 months, I'm going to do that. And then I'll move up to 200 a day for 3 more months. And then third quarter, I'll move up to 300. And fourth quarter, I'll move up to 400 a day. That's my game plan. And I'm just going to build my accounts and let them go. I blew 34 Apex accounts before I woke up. You're talking about PA accounts or evals? Because that's I wish I only blew that many. Let's just put it that way. I have about 10 times that amount of evals for sure. PAs, I'm well over that as well, unfortunately. Do you trade with MT5? No. NinjaTrader only. Evals? Oh, yeah, that's nothing. I've blown hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of evals. Is that before I started with BoldBot? No. No. That was from manually trading and just being not disciplined, not focusing on what I've learned in the digital mentorship, just trying to make a bunch of money, YOLOing a bunch of them, just trying to pass them real quick. Just stupid, not being a good trader, basically, is how I blew them. Mostly not swagging or stopping when I'm at my goal. That's one of the biggest reasons. And then getting emotional, revenge trading, chasing losses, FOMOing, all those negative factors have impacted me into blowing hundreds of evals. Yeah. And to be honest, I've blown a lot of PA accounts as well, doing the same thing. So it's been a rough road, but we're on the proper course now. Next year is going to be great. Like I said, I just got to think of this as a full-time job and go clock in each morning, make my 100 to 200 a day and clock out, because once you start getting multiple accounts, like I said, I have 5 real money accounts right now. So if I made $100 in each one, that's $500 a day. So is there any free trial? No, but there is a 2-week trial for $300 if you want to try that out. Otherwise, it's $500 for the first month and then $1,000 a month after that. So yeah, Ada, I know. I am the worst. I was. It took me a long time to get out of that gambler mindset or mental state of um, wanting more, being greedy. I was going through a divorce, so that had a lot to do with it. Thinking that I needed all this money right now instead of sticking to my game plan. But once you get in the proper mental mindset of everything, it becomes a lot easier and less stressful and more clear on your goals and what you're doing. So, what's the best prop firm to get funded quickly? Buy straight to funded with Tradeify. I used Apex. It's not letting bot allow. Yes, it is. It allows BoldBot. You have to understand that what Apex doesn't allow, when you read that, are the fully automated ones that you cannot mess with or touch. See, on ours, the difference is if I wanted to grab this stop loss here and move it all the way up here, I can do that. That's why it's not a fully automated algorithm in the sense that they're talking about on their website. But if you listen to the last interview, not by Daryl Martin, but by the other guy, he specifically mentioned that you can use algorithms and bots. They have to be able to be manually manipulated. So we use them all the time. It's okay. But if you're looking for a prop firm to get funded quickly, you can go straight to funded with Tradeify. I have the link in my link tree right there on the page. You can see it, tradeify.co/ref/swag show. They do have a 35% off discount right now going on. So, hey, Prob, welcome in. Oh, you were talking about Big Bang, Ada? You saw it at 1K and now it's 3K? Yeah. How is NinjaTrader? I don't know. I've never used them, never heard of them. Like I said, my four are Tradeify, Apex, Top Step, and Take Profit. Those are the four that I use. How many accounts can you trade with Top Step? Curious if you can have up to 5 max live accounts or just one. That's a good question, Carlos. So when you actually go to a live account with them, they'll move you to one. But you can have FXAs is what they're called. So it's once you pass their combine, I think you can have 5 of those accounts. And then if they transfer you to a live account, it'll all be combined into one live account. But I think you can have 5 FXA accounts once you pass their combine with Top Step. So either one, 100K or 150K, whatever your personal preference is. I like the 150K just for the bigger end of the day drawdown, but some people don't need that big of a end of the day drawdown. I just like it because you can run one mini contract and make your 100, 200, 300 a day pretty quick. Or you can run the algorithm sometimes on full sizing. So it's all up to you. Bitcoin says, I do traded it amazing. Okay. Oh, you're talking about that guy's question, Prob's question? Okay. I don't know. I never heard of it, but thank you guys for tuning in and being here with me. I will be live tomorrow, same bat time, same bat channel, 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern. I might stay on a little bit longer with you here, guys, and see how far this Big Bang NQ trade can go if you want to stick around. As long as the viewers are here, I will stay here today. I don't think I have any Zoom calls, so yeah. Can't wait to use my cash account, but waiting first full week. Yeah, I would wait. Definitely wait until probably next, not this week, but next week. And then do the new micro strategy. There's a new micro strategy. It's updated in the spreadsheet, in the announcements that Lauren put out, projected to win around 3,700 a month, using mostly one micro on most of these strategies. So, yeah. Way up here now, above any of the levels that I thought it was going to go to. It's above 21,507 right now. How high is this thing going to climb? Is it going to buy back all of this morning drop? Maybe. It's got to get way back up here. I mean, if it's going to fill a gap, it could go all the way back up to 21,611. So look out for that. I'm glad I was done early. I don't know. What's your stop loss with the bot? Each strategy is different. So each strategy when it takes a trade, has a different stop loss and take profit. So that's kind of a hard question to answer. For example, the one you're watching right now, NQ Big Bang, it's risking 500 per trade, but there is no set take profit. Like I said, I've seen it run up to $8,000 on one trade before. So, what's the link for the Bold Bot? It's in my Linktree profile. You can just email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. Also, we will send you a welcome email back, and you can get started that way. $3,700 now on this NQ Big Bang Long, one of the premium strategy algorithms brought to you by BoldBot. If you want more information, please email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. It's right there on your screen. Come get started with us. $300 for 2 weeks or $500 for the first month, and then $1,000 a month after that. Let us know. If you want to be a manual trader, we offer a digital mentorship that's on sale right now until the end of the year as well. $1,000 for the digital mentorship. If we get the trial for $300, is the first month $500 still? No. So it would be $300 for the first 2 weeks, and then it would be $1,000 a month after that. So it's up to you, BMW, what you want to do, but you can't go 300 for 2 and then 500 for the first. Unless you, yeah. Can you please advise which account is good, 150K or 100? Either one, S at Mead. Either one is good, Smead. S Smead. I don't know how to say your name. I hope I'm saying it the way you want. Samid. Maybe it's Samid. But yeah. All right, Burberry, take it easy, brother. Either one, the 150K or 100. It all depends on what you want. I like the 150K just because it has a bigger drawdown and it's not much more money. So, in my opinion, I like the 150K on Tradeify. Yes, Samid. Okay, good. I thought it. Yeah. In my opinion, me personally, I like the 150K better. You get a little bit more of a drawdown, end of the day drawdown, and it doesn't cost that much more money, I think. So just use my affiliate code there on the screen, or click on my link tree and then click the link to go over there. So after the 2-week trial, you automatically go for the full price of $1,000. Yeah. You can cancel at any time, but yes, after the 2 weeks, you start your new month with $1,000. You used my link. I appreciate it. Thank you, man. I might get enough to buy a Happy Meal. Just joking. It's 12:30 and I'm still on here with you. You guys are still hanging out, so I'm still hanging out. I appreciate you. Well, I want to see what this NQ Big Bang trade ends at here. How high will it go? How much do I have to make for 10 days payout? Well, on the 150K, I believe you have to make, I want to say $9,000, and then you can get paid out after that, as long as you maintain whatever it says in there. No, no. On day 15 you pay another 1,000. No, it's every month, every 30 days. So you if you pay the 300 for the 2 week trial, at the end of that you pay 1,000, and then you'll get a full month after that. And then it's every 30 days. But Samid, so if you go to the help section on the Tradeify page, um, and then you go down to where it says payouts, it breaks all that down. But I think it's $9,000 that you have to make on a 150K account, and then you can start getting paid out as long as you stay within the consistency rules for those 10 days and you make the minimum amount required. But yeah. 39.95, 4,000. There it was. Hit the $4,000 mark. So oh yeah, sorry, Crypto Babe. Yeah, I read that wrong, but yeah, correct. Sorry about that. Because you said another $1,000, so that's where it kind of threw me off. But yeah, we're on the same page. I know what you're saying. Yep. 12:33 on 12:30. Thank you guys for tuning in today, being here. I appreciate each and every one of you hanging out with me. I'm gonna grab some more water because I'm trying to go into this new year healthy and I don't know, not be such a fat self. But I might go get a burger too. You never know. All right, I think that's it. It hit 4,000 on Big Bang. I'm gonna let it run, but I'll be back tomorrow, same bat time, same bat channel. If you want to join me, I appreciate you guys showing up and being here, asking questions. I'll be here tomorrow, uh, but for the straight to funded, still we have to make the initial. Yeah, so it is straight to funded, but you have to build that buffer up. So it's not really an eval, but they want you to build a buffer up before. I was checking, it's 250 for direct funded. Can you please advise? Yeah. So like I said, if it's straight to funded, you have to make a certain amount before they'll let you withdraw. And then after that, you're able to withdraw. So it's building a buffer to keep your account basically safe from busting. So yeah. And then it's 250 a day for 5 of those days or something. Let me see. Help center, payouts, withdrawals, straight to sim funded. Yeah, so stay within the 20% consistency rules. 150K, you need to make $9,000 for the first payout, then 4,500, and then 3,000. You can withdraw twice a month, every 10 days, basically. And the maximum amount is 3,000. Let's see. So here it is. For a 150K account, when you reach payment one profit goal of 9,000, you can take a payout. You now must achieve payout 2 profit goal of 4,500 to take your next profit or your next payout. So, yeah. Just abide by the 20% consistency rule. You must trade on at least 10 days. And between each payout. And it looks like that's the only thing. So, yeah. Yeah. All right. Hey, no problem. All right. What does that mean? What does what mean? What I was just talking about, that's the payout criteria for the 150K Tradeify account that I was just mentioning. So, all right, guys, I'm going to end it for today. I'll be back tomorrow. Same bat time, same bat channel, 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern Standard Time. Join me here. Join me on YouTube. Go follow me over there on X as well. And I will see you guys mañana. All right? Peace and chicken grease and all that good